introduce the LevelDB using JavaScript on my own computer. I have initiated the JavaScript program here. Here is my files, and let's get started. First, we are going to do a const level require level. So basically, we are just importing the level library here, and let's see, it's inside here. So basically, we can do a level node level.js, and here we got the library imported. Okay, so now we want to create our database. So we're basing the initiation, and it's called DB, and now let's set the everything as default. So the value encoding is UTF-8, and we will just run it right now. Here you can see there's a database file. Actually, it's a folder. It's containing everything inside. So if we want to put anything in it, we can just do a put. Let's say we want to put a animal, and the key is animal, and the value, let's say start, and then we have a callback function, and let's just count the log. We put a record name. Alright, let's do this, and go. Wait, is DB is not defined. That's very interesting. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. We have to do this. We cannot simply just call it a new DB. We have to store it into a variable. That's a dumb mistake. Right, there it is. Okay, you put the record in. So let's say now we want to retrieve the data. We can say we get animal, and then console log. Ooh. Let's see what will happen. Try this out. And sorry, there's a typo. See, you can see here once you call the function to get, it's already inside the database. Okay, so what if you want to delete the database? It's also very easy. You can just use the del function, and you put in the key, and let's say you want to check in the callback function. You want to check if the database still has your data. You can just use the get and function. Let's just copy and paste our get function here. So if we still have the animal key inside, we console log the dog as previously shown. So let's come out of this, and then if we run the code again, you can see it's undefined, which means that the key animal is deleted in the database. So this is quite basic and might be boring because it's just a string to string key value pair. If we want to do more interesting stuff, we can add a value encoding, which is to define what type of value you want to put in. For here, let's use JSON. So if we want to put in more like different type of data, we can do we can say we want to put in a dog, and the type is, let's say, some weight, and its name is Loki. The height is 40 centimeters. The weight is 25 kilograms, something like this. and then we have a function. Which the callback function, we can do a get inside, we use the key. And in our callback function, we will just have we have, let's say we want our dog's name, and let's say it is a dog. Wait, dog. Dog. Okay, so let's see what happened here. You see, now it's no longer, the value is no longer just a string. It's actually a JSON file. It has its type, its name, its height, and weight, which is more complicated than previously. That's pretty much it. Actually, since LevelDB is a quite simple database, it has no much things to show because it's highly for performance in writing. You can write a lot of stuff uh, into it, and you can store a lot of values. So here I cannot actually show you how impressive the speed is, but as just to perform it, it's a really simple database to use for a like a web um, like a web application. So that's it. Thank you.